I picked up some H1 LED bulbs in white. Hello and welcome back to Subaru. Today we're going to be changing out our halogen headlights for LED ones. Let's get started. The headlight bulbs are located here and here. It looks like we're going to have to remove some stuff to get to them. All right, let's start by removing the negative terminal, then the positive. Great, now we have access to the headlight bulb. So then the headlight bulb will have this little metal pin. I'm going to push that down. Have it come around and the bulb will just come right out. Then you want to just push on this and it'll come out. Instructions, we don't need those. Here are the new LED bulbs. Here's the old trash halogen bulb compared to our new LED bulb. We've got our new bulb. In. Back into place. There we go. The pin is back around. The bulb is secure into place. And put that back in. Great. All right, we got one in, so let's do the other side. All right, with our 10mm socket and wrench, let's remove these two bolts. All right, with the intake duct removed, we have access to the headlight bulbs. All right, we got both bulbs in, so let's reassemble everything and see how it looks. Here's the halogen bulb compared to the LED bulb. And that's how you install headlight bulbs. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe for more Subaru content. I'll see you in the next install. Bye.